To the module OWT 730. This module focuses on the continuous changing field of education technology. This will be approached through the development of gamified change management plan that can support the innovative educational technology integration practices approached from the whole college perspective, the power of play using fourth industrial revolution. Definition of gamification is the application of game design elements and game principle in non-game context. Gamification works by employing techniques to leverage our natural desires to improve activities, processes. This improvement can be related to user engagement, organizational, and productivity and learning. Acknowledging appreciative inquiry, these are the functional technologies at Ekurhuleni East TVET College. Projectors, presentations on PowerPoints, on walls and boards, and also projecting YouTube videos for the students to enhance teaching and learning. Labs for computer-related subjects are used for research and creating. Computers are employed in different industries such as households, enterprises, government offices, research organizational education institution, and also for medical. Computers have catapulted industries and enterprises to unprecedented heights. The college opted to also use tablets and mobile phones for teaching and learning. Educational mobile apps are cheaper and with the availability of Wi-Fi for students. And it was also played a significant role in allocating laptops for students who are qualified or those who are funded by that institution. College will upgrade the pass rate and retention rate from 70 to 80%. All these academic tools can improve the way students learn, improvement engagement. When technology is integrated into lessons, students are expected to be more interested in subjects, and teaching and learning with skills and knowledge will also improve. The context problem. I have decided to use paperless textbooks or gamified books to build a model of a dynamic book that will function as an educational game for fitting and machining N1. This book therefore has about 14 modules or chapters which are spread across and fitting and machining and develop new ways of interacting with students. Same outcome. Students at the end of the module will therefore be able to analyze and produce digital information where the user wants, make decision in context of the information society, apply creativity skills, engage in collaborative work. Initial stage of the process or stage one, presentation of the lesson, teaching of the book, of the material used for the particular subject so that the participants can qualify to move. It will read as follows. Did you read and understand? It will say yes, and then you move. Can you explain different parts of the machinery indicated? It will say yes, then you move to the next stage. Game book or game design plan. Step one, the game has a registration page which the player upload their picture and upload their personal details so that we can address issues of attendance. The game will be based on multiple choice with the grid of scale of most correct, and also it will indicate if a learner didn't do well through badges. In implementation step two, the questions will be based on the background of the elementary stage of the subject picked depending on the college identified in that particular subject. In our cases, fitting and machining. Questions will be limited to multiple choice. Game implementation step 3. The sliding colors goes together with the words and a hand clap. So I will use words like well done or congratulations and excellence when you get a green color. Then when it comes to amber, it will say try again. Finally, when you get red, it will say you have to redo or revise your work. Final stage, which is the rewarding process. The badge can slide onto the phone green or any used gadgets up to platinum. Therefore, in the last stage, I will introduce the awarding system for those who performed beyond expectation. This game will be able to immediately provide solution for students or answers. Badges and rating. 90 to 100 is platinum, 80 to 90 is gold, 70 to 80 is silver, 60 to 70 is green, 50 to 60 is amber, a combination of green and yellow, 40 to 50 is yellow, and then 30 to 40 is orange, 20 to 30 is red, which it is an indication that you didn't progress to the next module. Question and answers time after the module was projected on the screen. The teacher related what was presented and allowed students to boldly answer. And that on its own, it gave the students a notion of understanding and a desire that the teacher can progress or go further than what he has indicated. When the teacher indicated that whosoever gets it right will be rewarded, then there was a collaboration and enthusiasm, more participation, as you can see with the expression of hands. All the students wanted to be part and parcel of what is happening. All of them were having a desire to raise their hands to be part of the process. Rewarding stage, lastly, when the game is completed, it will indicate with the closing statement that says learning while having fun. Ebook gamification for fitting and machining and one made easier. Students indicated that they want more of this because it is much simpler to utilize, because they have identified that it is easy to learn while playing. The use of free downloads app is critical. Plagiarism, ownership, website copyright, Creative Commons, freeware, and shareware, length of copyright, breach of right abroad. It is very interesting. One should understand that plagiarism can be resolved in court. What I learn, if you regard technology such as online learning, collaborative networks, language apps, and so on and so forth, you will see that many benefits can be derived from using them. Technology always make technology teaching and learning practical and interesting in a classroom. If it is used effectively, it will enhance teaching and learning. Final remarks. Further, I will engage with the college top management to align this way of teaching and learning to be incorporated on the college strategic plan. As a result of what I observed during unfolding of this game, I will further present it to my immediate supervisor to get support as I will present it to the office of the deputy principal academics.